everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. Today I'm sharing with you my best organizing hacks for when you are living in a small space. Whether that's an apartment, or if you have a large family living in a smaller home, or if you're choosing to live more minimally, these organizing hacks are going to help you to make the most of the space that you're living in. The first organizing tip that I have for you today is to make the most of your vertical space. This can look a lot of different ways, but make sure that you're taking advantage of the height in your home. Whether that's installing shelves that go all the way up from the floor to the ceiling, or taking advantage of unused closet space that is above the door frames, make sure that you're taking advantage of all of that vertical space in your home. You'll be amazed how much storage you have by utilizing this space. My second tip is to look into cubby storage. Cubbies are great because, again, they can take advantage of that vertical space by allowing you to stack bins. This can also be a great way to kind of hide away some of the items that perhaps are more messy looking visually if you're wanting to have that more clean aesthetic. You can use a cubby storage system for things such as toys or clothing if you don't maybe have closets if you have an older home. So get creative with what you can use this cubby storage system for in your home, and simply by choosing bins or baskets that match your aesthetic style, you'll be much better able to have that aesthetic that you're looking for while creating yourself a lot of hidden storage space. My third tip is to take advantage of the backs of your closet doors. You can easily install command hooks on the backs of doors and use this to hang some of those more difficult storage items. We have hooks on the backs of our closet doors where we store things such as backpacks, raincoats, lunch bags. It is a great and often underutilized storage area in your home. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe as well, and that way you can get more free content to help you to declutter and organize in your small space. My fourth tip is to use those high up shelves in your kitchen cabinets that are harder for you to reach by using dollar store bins or perhaps baskets that you've thrifted to store the items that you don't use as often and that can be more difficult or messy to store. I use bins like these in the top shelf of my kitchen cabinets to store lids to containers, pantry items that I don't use as often, such as hot cocoa mix or snack bars, and other more seasonally appropriate items. This makes it much easier to access than by simply having the items on the shelves themselves, as you can reach down the bin that you're looking for, and it's much easier to pull down as well as to then find the items that you're looking for. It's also visually more simple, and you can label the bins to help others who may be in or visiting your home. My final organizational hack for you today, if you are living in a small space, is to really be intentional about the things that are in your space. Ask yourself if this is something that you use and you are loving having, or if it's something that you're just maybe holding on to just in case you need it in the future. Especially when you are living in a small space, it's so important to be intentional with the space that you have. And so those just in case items might be something that you could declutter. The more things that you have and don't use, or really don't even want to have, that you can get rid of, the more space that you will have to organize and to store the things that you love using in your home. If you're looking around your home and you are thinking that perhaps the best organizational hack for you personally might be to declutter a few things that you're not using, then I have more videos for you. I love sharing about decluttering and organizing and creating the space to live the life that you want to have, rather than spending all of your time trying to clean and tidy and organize the mess in your home. So if you think that clutter might be one of your problems, definitely subscribe down below, and you can check out this video as well to help you get started. Leave a comment down below and tell me which of these tips was your favorite or what your best organizing tip for living in a small space is. I'd love to keep the conversation going and get to know you a little better. I love making new friends on here and building an awesome community of people who want to live with intention. Thank you so much for watching. Let's be friends, and I'll see you in the next video.